25, you broke me down. You kept me alive. You gave me part of life. So many letters, so many tears. Waking